Hey everybody, welcome to Homebuyer Insider Secrets. My name is Tim Armstrong. I'm an ex-mortgage loan officer. I worked for over 10 years in the mortgage industry. I originated, processed, and closed loans for years, so I know the process inside and out. This is the first video in our series, and the topic is now the right time to buy? I'm recording this video in February of 2022, and the market is on fire, right? You've seen it. Housing prices are going up exponentially, and rent is going up exponentially. It's going out of control, and people are worried that there might be a housing bubble. So let's just take a look at some information that I've got ready for you, and you might be surprised. So the big question on everybody's mind right now, if you're thinking about buying a house, is there going to be a housing bubble like there was in 2008, where housing prices went down? The honest answer is home prices don't always go up. I grabbed this information off the Case-Shiller U.S. National Home Price Index, and here you can see since like 1988, home prices have steadily gone up all the way till 2007 and 2008 when the housing market bubble hit. And you can see here, house prices did lower dramatically. And it wasn't just a short ride either. It was several years before they started to recover again. But as you can see, in 2012, things went right back up. And now, during the pandemic, since 2020, things have skyrocketed. You can see that really steep angle of appreciation right here. So yeah, people's question about whether or not there's a housing bubble, that's an honest, valid question because things are going really fast in an upward trend. But check this out. Home prices don't always go up, but rent prices rarely go down, if ever. Here you can see our numbers start in around 1950, and they too have steadily increased. But look, around 2007, nothing happened. Here you can see house prices went down, but rent prices didn't. They continued to climb the way they have been for years. They might have leveled off a little bit around 2010, but now you can see that sharp increase is back in action. So while home prices don't always go up and they do sometimes go down, rent almost never goes down. If you're like most renters, you'd like to put a cap on your housing expenses and stop that from going up year after year after year the way they have been. So in my opinion, backed by statistical data, that shows that home prices may go up and down, but rent just keeps going up. So my opinion is now is as good a time to buy as any. Now there's no guarantees that your home value may go down, but there's a pretty good chance that your rent will continue to go up. Okay, so a lot of you are probably asking, that's all great and well, but what's next? Well, that's why I created Homebuyer Insider Secrets. What I want you to do is stay tuned and watch the Homebuyer Insider Secrets video lessons. We're going to teach you everything you need to know about getting qualified for a mortgage and exactly how the process works from A to Z. Because remember, I worked for over 10 years in the industry, hand in hand with underwriters, so I know exactly what they're looking for, what kind of documentation you're going to need to provide them, and what kind of credit scores you're going to need to have. And we're also going to teach you how you can fix your own credit and improve your debt-to-income ratios.